Writing styles in different scientific disciplines. Introduction. Often, the purpose of an article written is to educate or inform the target audience about a particular problem. There are various disciplines such as social, humanitarian, and natural science for which there are relevant aspects of writing articles. Reading 3 articles allowed readers to determine which discipline every article belongs to. Each discipline has its style, language, and general organization of the text itself. Although at first glance, all 3 papers are written on the same topic and are approximately similar in style and language of writing, there are differences between them that demonstrate which discipline these articles belong. Writing humanities, natural sciences, and social sciences articles. The article by Debra K. Katzman, Medical Complications in Adolescents with Anorexia Nervosa, a review of the literature, can be attributed to a natural science discipline because it tells about the medical details of the disease. Elizabeth Hopton's article Anorexia Nervosa in Adolescent Girls, a culture-bound disorder of Western society, belongs to the social sciences because it is based on several historical data and highlights the influence of the media on how young people treat their bodies. Randi Epstein's article When Eating Disorders Strike in Midlife can be classified as a humanitarian discipline because it demonstrates its own experience and focuses on the psychological elements that cause the problem. All 3 articles focus on the issue of anorexia nervosa in adolescents. The differences between these articles are the style, text format, and language. Epstein's writing has the format of an interview with a nurse who talks about her own experience. The article contains direct speech, as well as many informal phrases and formulations. This article is published in the newspaper and forces to use particular strategies to attract the maximum number of readers. In addition, the newspaper posted a photo of the nurse being interviewed and created an introductory sentence that points to the main topic of the article. The nurse claims that the main prerequisites that cause problems with nutrition are unknown. The language in this type of article is used as a factor that is aimed at communication. Katzman's article has not only the main text but also a final annotation that reflects the author's final position on the issue. In addition, the author writes in a strictly defined style of scientific writing of the text. In addition, the text includes many medical terms, such as cardiovascular complications, bradycardia, electrocardiogram, and other terms. The text is medical, which eliminates the elements of informality, and vice versa, making the writing language impersonal, strict, and straightforward. Hopton's article is a mixture of 2 types of articles described earlier. Since the article is published in a scientific journal, its style is formal and includes the results of many different studies. The article is presented as a research process, that is, it consists of a description, research, results, recommendations, and certain conclusions from the analysis. Although the article is written in formal language, the wording is brief and straightforward. The author explains the problem to readers in simple language, even in combination with medical aspects. The author claims that there are differences between those who voluntarily refuse food and those who do this according to psychological motives. The author successfully conveys to readers the problem, her ideas, and arguments confirming her point of view. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are various disciplines, such as humanities, natural sciences, and social sciences. Each field has its peculiarities in writing, that is, the text's language, format, and organization. The style is chosen following the ultimate goal, with the article's location, that is, a scientific journal or a report on the internet, and so on. The language is chosen to convey to its target audience what it means.